Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make a sittable chair. Okay, so most of you guys are like, how do we make a sittable chair? Cause I tried to make a some sort of, I tried to put it apart and I couldn't sit on it or whatever. Anyway, it's actually really easy. So you just get a part like this, kind of like this. Okay, kind of like that, yeah. And then you just make the chair you want. This is a really easy tutorial. And then you do, wait. Okay, so you just right click, insert object, and then you just do, no, what was I thinking? You go to workspace and then do insert object, seat. You can make it fabric or anything. I choose fabric and the color red. You could do this if you want, but yeah, you could customize it your own, whatever. And the way I want to make it is different. Not this is just like a stool or just one seat. What I want is okay, so we gotta anchor this, and then I'm just gonna do another one, insert object. Oh wait, what the heck was I thinking? I don't know why. Okay, so if you want to make a seat that'll hold your Roblox in back or whatever, you'll want to do this. Alright. And then you have to make it the color that you did. Wait, no, not transparency. And then we go and then whatever the one that was right here is, and then we anchor it and anchor, and I'll make this white. Okay, now let's test and play. Okay. Now we go to our chair. Wait. And there we go. We have it. We have a sittable chair. Isn't that cool? If you want to learn how to make this, the jacuzzi, the pool, and that, go to this. Wait. So if you wanted to make a pool that like I had right here, go to Mystery Gaming. I actually liked it. Anyway, Mystery Gaming. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Have a good time.